participation. That is aim of education. Aims of education we mentioned here because the chapter power sharing is showing an example of democratic participation of the people, how the power is sharing among the different groups. Second, curriculum goals. Here the already we have given some goals in our NCF that we just copied and applied here according to the quality, according to the character of our chapter. That is functioning of social, cultural and political institution, essence of Indian democracy and the characteristics of a democratic government, understand and analyze social, cultural and political life in India over time and philosophy, unity and diversity by recognizing challenges by the past and present in the efforts made by the made to address the. This is the second part, curriculum goals. Third one is competencies. Understanding harmonious and unity in diversity with a historical respect for all culture by promoting peaceful coexistence. Here we are trying to inculcate the democratic value